Hey guys, I'm really glad to see you here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this video has been translated into 20 languages, everything for your own comfort. So turn on the subtitles because I want you to understand everything super clear. And today I will trade using Parabolic SAR Indicator, and if you are super interested in Parabolic SAR Indicator to get to know more about this indicator, I have other videos on my channel so you can check it out. And also guys, I will start with just $75 on my deposit, and if you want to know how I did this result, then you should watch this video till the end. Before we start our trading session, guys, please put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so we always keep in touch. And let's not waste time, let's get started. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using strategy based on technical analysis. And to help our technical analysis, we are going to use Parabolic SAR Indicator. It will help us to determine pivot points, and the indicator is already connected. All settings are allowed by default. It looks like purple dots at the top and the bottom of our graph, and now I will remind you what is the signal to open a deal. And the signals are the moment when, for example, points begin to form from the bottom of our chart. This situation tells us that an upward movement is expected, and in a similar situation we could open a deal for going up. Also, when the dots begin to appear on top of our chart, the situation indicates that a downward movement is expected, and accordingly here we could open a deal for going down. The indicator also has an errors, of course, for example, during pullbacks or when the price moves in the pro-trading zone. At such moments, the indicator may react and give a false signals. That's why it's super important to pay attention to the trading situation as a whole. And since this indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis, don't forget about the support and resistance levels, since also the price at these levels can give its reaction. Today we will look for working situations on the market. We will try to make money on them, so please watch this video till the end and you will see how I work with this indicator. Yeah, and maybe you will like my method and my strategy and you will use it on your own trading. And so guys, let's start and I'll find the first situation on the market. We have a support level down here. We also see that at the moment the price is confidently approaching our level. The points are also formed above the graph. This situation tells us that in the near future the price will move down, and in such a situation we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. The price has an excellent potential for going down. I think that this level is more likely to be broken since the price is approaching our level for the third time in a fairly short time. There is a certain compression of the level. 2 minutes in this situation will be quite enough because we took this 2 minutes with a margin, and it's possible to face rollback up or to get into pro-trading zone. So I think this time will be quite enough, and guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. As you can see, there really was an upward pullback, but after that the price turned around and continued to move down. Also, the support level was broken. Here we get a good and confident profit. The price has an excellent potential for going down. Also, the indicator in turn gave us a really good entry point, and it helped us to determine the further price movement. And so guys, let's continue and find another situation in the market. We also have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment there is a good and confident unidirectional movement. Also, points are formed above the graph, and in this situation that's just opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. The price has an extra potential for going down with the high probability that the price will continue to move to the level. Also, of course, in this situation it is possible to roll back up or pro-trading zone. That is why we open a deal for 2 minutes, since it is likely that after a confident unidirectional movement there will be an upward pullback and some corrective movement will occur. Just at the moment we can see green candles starting to form, but I think the 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, and in the near future the price will turn around and continue to move down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, after the pullback up the price turned around and continues to move down again. At the same time there is still space for the support level. I propose to open next deal here. Let's go down with you again, and only this time we'll open a deal for 3 minutes. Since there is an upward pullback again, I decided to reinsure myself and open a deal with the margin of 3 minutes, so the price would certainly have time to continue going down. We also see that at the same time the points continue to form, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. As you can see, the price still continued to move down despite small upward pullbacks. Also, during one rollback, points from the bottom of our chart began to form. It is precisely such situations that can be counted as an error. This is a false indicator signal because we see that the overall price potential is going down. The price is confidently approaching the support level. Therefore, in such situations, it is best to open deals down on a downtrend. And that is why we were able to work out 2 deals in a row with you on this situation. Also, the indicator in turn told us a really good entry point. And so guys, let's continue and find another situation in the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price is pressing this level. I think it will be broken in the near future. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to go up. The price has a good potential for increase. I think that this time will be quite enough. The indicator also confirms our entry point. Just at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond the level. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. In this situation you could see that after the pro trade there was a pullback down. Also immediately after the pullback the price continued to move up with good confident green candles. This level was fully broken through also during the pro trading zone, and the pullback down points began to form on top of our chart. This situation also can be counted as an error since we see that overall price potential is still mainly moving up. In this situation we also managed to work with you on the upward movement, and so guys, let's continue. There was an uptrend, there was also a pullback down from the resistance level, and now the price is turned around and is confidently approaching our level again. While dots begin to form under the chart, in this situation I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price is moving up quite confidently. I think that in the near future it will continue to move directly to the resistance level. We'll have time to work with you on this particular movement since the overall price potential is also going up. And so guys, let's wait for the result. It's quite good, friends. The price continued to move up, the level has been broken and we are making profit. Also, the indicator in turn gave us a really good entry point. The price really continued steady upward movement. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. And everything is going great, guys. Let's continue considering that situation in the market. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after the pullback down the price has turned around and it is approaching our level again. Also, the overall price potential goes up. At the same time, points begin to form under the graph. In a similar situation, open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has a good potential to increase. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible it will be breached. Just at the moment we see that a good confident green candle beginning to form also begins to go beyond the level. So I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, guys. And so guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, after the upward movement, the price turned around and there was a deep pullback down. But we still managed to close our deal with profit in this situation. The closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. In any case, the price is moving up and this indicator helps us to determine this movement. And so guys, let's continue considering another situation in the market. Here we see that there is a good confident upward movement, and at the same time there is still space to reach the resistance level. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has an excellent potential to go up. It is more likely that it will continue to move towards the level. At the same time, our entry point is also confirmed by the indicator. Points are formed from the bottom of our chart. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough. This is a time with a margin because a pullback is also possible here, or the price may fall into the pro trading zone. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, quite good. As you can see, the price has continued to move up and we are making profit. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. The indicator in turn gave us a good entry point. The price has an excellent potential for going up. Everything is going great. Let's continue, guys, and consider another situation in the market. Here we see that there is a downtrend. There is also support level at the bottom and there is still space to reach the level. At the same time, points are formed above the graph. At the moment, the price has stopped and is moving in the pro-trading zone. Here, propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will still continue to move towards the level. Since the price here also has a good potential for going down, the main price highs and price lows are getting higher. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is on this moment we will try to make money. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, after pro-trading there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price moves back to our level. This is where we make profit. Also during the upward pullback, points from the bottom of the chart began to form. And this situation could be also considered as an error, as we see that the trend of the price highs continues, they are getting lower. Mostly the price moves down. It was on this moment that we managed to make profit. I already have $3,000 on deposit. I proposed to open another last deal for today, so I just find the situation and we will continue, guys. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that the price is moving towards our level. Also at the same time the price has an excellent potential to increase. Price lows are getting higher. In this case, points are formed from the bottom of the graph. This means that an upward movement is expected. We'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken. 2 minutes also with the margin taking into account possible pro trade or roll back down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Oh, excellent, guys. The price still continued to move up. There was also a false breakout. We managed to work with you on this movement. Also during the rollback, points began to form on top of our chart. Despite the fact that the overall price potential is going up, mainly in this situation it is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future. Therefore, it is certain that in the near future the price will continue to move up. In any case, I already have $5,000 on deposit. I propose to end this because I fulfilled my plan for today. So just fix the profit and leave the market. That's it for today, guys, and don't forget that it's super important to follow your trading plan. And if you fulfill your trading plan, then you should finish all the sessions and leave the market. Even if you see that there is a still good entry point. But discipline is the key to earn money in the long term. I hope you learned some new information about Parabolic SAR Indicator. Also, guys, don't forget that you can try it also in your own trading sessions. Just turn on this indicator and find similar situations on the market. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and turn on the notification button. I also have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. It's my trading signals. So if you want to get these trading signals, you should text me a code word signal and I will add you to my closed group with limited amount of people. The link to Telegram will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!